Hi all my beautiful cousins. So I'm back with another video. In this one I'll be doing a lip swatch demo on the Maybelline Superstay matte inks, and these are the ones that I picked up. I actually had these for a pretty long time, but I never got around to using them, so I wanted to go ahead and do a video for people that have not decided to pick them up yet, or were looking at them in the store and didn't really know what the colors would look like on them. So I wanted to go ahead and do a little demo for you guys. So let's get right into the video. Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Alright, so I'm going to do a very basic look on my face because the point of this video is my lips. Let's go. So I'm going to start by putting some lip chap on because our lips are dry. To use the Too Faced Hangover Primer for my primer today. And this just helps my skin to not feel as dry. And it gives my makeup something to cling to instead of sinking into my skin. It can sit on top of my primer. It feels sticky when I first put it on. And I normally use 2 primers because I just have dry skin and then I want something that's going to help me with my pores. So I feel like I have to use more than one. Next one I'm going to use is the Pore Professional Matte Rescue. And this is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. And I'm going to put this pretty much on like my cheek area, and I'm not going to use any foundation, so I'm going to go ahead and color correct, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Camo color correcting kit, and I'm going to use this orange color. And I like this kit because the orange is not orangey and it matches my skin really well. What I do is I just like to use this concealer to spot conceal. And I do have some discoloration around my mouth, so I like to conceal that. And I kind of push it into my skin with my brush. Then I'm going to go into my eyebrows, and I'm just kind of like, I'm not really trying to do a very glam look today. So I'm just going to do the bare minimum to my eyebrows just to give them more of a shape. I'm not going to use any kind of concealer or anything to clean them up. I'm just pretty much going to fill them in. Alright, so that's the best that we're going to get today. Then I'm going to use my handy dandy brow gel. I love this stuff. I definitely want to try like another brand because this one is by the Wet n Wild, but it gets the job done, so I'm not complaining. But I do want to try some new ones. But I'll use this because it just helps, especially if you mess up your eyebrows. The brow gel just seems like it just blends everything together and it makes it look more natural. So I really do like using brow gel on my brows. Alrighty then. I think that's the fastest I've ever did my eyebrows. Okay, so then we're gonna go in and blend out my concealer. And you want to blend it till you pretty much can't see it anymore. Okay, and that's how it should look. Our Photo Focus concealer in the color Dark Cocoa. And I'm pretty much gonna cover up where I put that orange concealer. And I love these Wet n Wild concealers. I love the Wet n Wild concealers, and I love the Makeup Revolution concealers. So if you're looking for some really good concealers that's, you know, not too expensive, you could definitely check those 2 out. My Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 30 Cafe, I believe, on top of that. And this concealer is much more creamier than the Wet n Wild. So I like to put it on top just to help it blend out a little bit better. So now that we look kind of crazy, we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. And again, I'm pressing it into the skin. You blend your edges out, because in one of my videos, I did not blend my foundation out very good, and it looked like I had a mask on. Why y'all didn't tell me? Why nobody didn't tell me? What's good? I thought we was family. Like, what's up? Anything dealing with makeup, you definitely gonna have to blend if you want it to look flawless. Alright, so pretty much we're just trying to even out our skin tone right now. I'm not really trying to get like full coverage, but I do want it to look pretty much even. Alrighty, so I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and my setting powder. I'm using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. You see it in pretty much all of my videos. I love it. I'm gonna use this to set under my eyes, so we do not get any creasing, because I have like these little lines under my eyes that tend to crease for some reason. Now that we have everything set, I'm going to use my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Creamy Beige to set the rest of my face, and this is what it looks like. So I'm pretty much just going to put that everywhere that I did not put the setting powder. Okay, and you can definitely stop right there, but because I'm a little extra, I'm going to do a little contouring, just a tad, not too much. Just to bring a little more definition back into the face. So that's it. I'm only going to use one color because I just want to just put a little color in my eye, on my eyelid. I'm not really trying to go for a full look right now. I'm using the ColourPop Give It To Me Straight palette, and I love this palette. I think that it's so gorgeous. And I'm going to take the color TMI, which is this color right here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease just to put some color on my eyelid. And then I'm just going to put a little bitty color in my tear duct. I'm going to use the color Be Blunt. I just decided to put a little of the up front on top of that, just to bling it out a little bit more. And the e.l.f. mascara in the color Very Black. And I really do like this mascara. The stars of this show, and it's the Super Stay colors, and I didn't realize I had so many of these, but these are what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to start with the light colors first, and then I'm going to move up. All right, so the first one I'm going to try on is the color 15 Lover, and it's this one. So this is Lover. This color is 20 in Pioneer. This is what it looks like. And I'm not using any lip liner because I kind of want to get an idea of what it looks like on its own. All right, so this is number 20 Pioneer. Color is 75 Fighter, and this is what it looks like. Fighter. 45 Exorcist. 45. And last but not least, 85 Protector. 85 protector. Alright, you guys, so that's all that I have for you on this video, and I will see you on the next one.